Easy homemade bread. Ingredients: 2 cups of warm water 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees C. Half cup of white sugar. 1½ tablespoon of active dry yeast. 1½ teaspoon of salt. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 5 to 6 cups of all-purpose or bread flour. In a large bowl, dissolve 2 tablespoons of the sugar in the warm water, then stir in yeast. Allow it to proof until the yeast resembles a creamy foam, about 5 minutes. Add in remaining sugar, salt and oil. Begin to mix, using a rubber scraper or the dough hooks on your mixer stand. Add the flour 1 cup at a time, reserving the last cup of flour to see if you need it. The dough should pull away and clean the bowl, sticking on the bottom in a small circle about the size of a quarter. If your dough sticks to the bowl, add more, a couple tablespoons at a time until it cleans the bowl, sticking in just a small circle on the bottom. Knead the dough for 7 minutes. Place it in a well-oiled bowl and turn dough to coat. Cover it with a damp cloth, allowing it to rise in a warm area until it is doubled in bulk, about 1 hour. Punch the dough down and knead it for 1 minute, then divide it in half. Shape it into loaves and place into 2 greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pans. Allow to rise for 30 minutes, or until dough has risen 1 inch above the pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes and enjoy with butter.